After going to around 2 to 3 classes, later I landed with Chamodu sir because the previous classes weren't that good. They didn't fit in well with me. My name is Sanjay Prabhat. I'm a student of the 2025 A-Level Combined Maths batch from Chamodu sir. I came to Chamodu sir by the end of first day in my Combined Maths. Sir well planned his classes, including the tubes and the questions he did. The theory classes were top notch because sir covered the theory and then we used to do set questions in sir's tubes, and apart from that we also did all the A-level past paper questions which were really helpful, and they also gave us practice and we got used to A-level questions because of that. Talking about sir's paper class, we did 60 plus model papers and also we did some final papers which were well beyond standard, and also the papers were timed for 2 hours and 40 minutes, which really helped with my timing in the exam because in the exam they usually give us 3 hours and 10 minutes. We had a 30-minute gap which we could use to further check our answers, and that really helped me. For anyone who's willing to go beyond the boundary A and increase their Z score exponentially, I highly recommend attending Chamodu's class for Combined Maths.